Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about our new pattern for solving the integrating problem, that is Eilert rule or U into V method. According to this rule, what we have? If we have U and V, two functions for integrations which are in product, then first we have to take as a constant the first function u and integration of the second function v, taking u as a constant and integration of the second function v. After that, differentiation of the first function, that is du by dx, into integration of second function, that is v dx, and product of these two and integration of that product. This is called u into v method. Which function we have to take as u, which type of function we have to take as v, it depends on Eilert rule. I L A T E. This is the meaning of Eilert. I for inverse function. It is the mean of I. Like sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. This kind of function are said to be inverse functions. L for logarithmic functions. Log x, log 2x, log ax plus b type functions are said to be logarithmic functions, that is called L. And if we are talking about A, algebraic functions, A means algebraic, like x square plus 2x plus 1 or x plus 1 or 3x, 2x, such kind of functions are algebraic functions. T for trigonometrical functions. Like sin x, cos x, 2x. These kind of functions are said to be trigonometrical. And E for exponential functions. Like e raised to 2x, e raised to 3x, or a raised to 5x, like that. These kind of functions are said to be exponentials. So this is the mean of Eilert. So when we are going to decide which function is said to be u, which function is said to be v, then we have to follow this rule. First we are taking inverse function if they are existing inverse. If inverse function are not existing there, then we are focusing on logarithmic function to take u, first function. If inverse and log both are not available there, then focusing that any function is algebraic or not. So this is the order by which we can take which function is said to be u and which function is said to be v. So just follow this rule. तो यहाँ हमने uv मेथड के अंदर ये सीखा है कि u को कांस्टेंट करें, v का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ u इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ v, उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट लीजिए और फिर जो बनता है उसका इंटीग्रेशन कीजिए. इट इज कॉल्ड u इंटू v मेथड. और फॉलो करना है आइलेट रूल, जहां इनवर्स है, लॉग है, एल्जेब्रिक है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल और एक्सपोनेंशियल, ये इसी ऑर्डर में u और v के रूप में आएंगे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक a question from exercise 7.6 of NCERT book, that is x sine 3x. Exercise here is 7.6, question number 2. In that, integrate x into sine 3x dx. This is our problem, x sine 3x dx. Now first we have to check which function is said to be u and which is v. According to Euler rule, algebraic function and trigonometrical, in order to decide which function is said to be u, a occurs first, trigonometrical occurs rest after that. So we are taking, this is our first function, this one is our second. Now follow the UV method. First we are taking x as a constant and integration of sine 3x dx minus d by dx of x into integration of sine 3x dx, and after the product of these two, integrate once again. Now the integration of sine is minus cos 3x upon 3. This is the integration of sine 3x. And here is differentiation of x is 1 and integration of that is minus cos 3x upon 3 dx. Shifting this minus side outside the integration, this minus will become plus, and here is minus x by 3 into cos 3x as it is, no change in the first term, and taking 1 by 3 outside, we are having cos 3x dx. Now the integration of this cos 3x is sin 3x by 3. So minus x by 3 cos 3x plus 1 by 3 into sin 3x by 3 plus, now this 3 into 3 will become 9. So answer is minus x by 3 cos 3x plus 1 by 9 sin 3x plus c. Now if you want to take LCM of these two terms 9, you can. Otherwise this is answer. So this is the way by which we can use the Euler form and UV formula. तो ये अपना तरीका रहता है, किसे फर्स्ट और किसे सेकंड डिसाइड करना है, ये आइलेट अपने को सिखाता है. तो उसी ऑर्डर को फॉलो कीजिए और उसके अनुसार अपने को इसको इंटीग्रेट करना है. One more problem we are taking here, and that is our 7th problem, which is inverse function problem. Here we have x sine inverse x. Now the problem of 7th. Integrate x sine inverse x dx. This is our problem number 7 and we have to integrate this one. And what is the process? First follow the Euler rule. According to this inverse function, this is the first and algebraic is second. So now taking sine inverse x constant x dx integration minus differentiation of sine inverse x into integration of x dx and integration of their product. ये UV फॉर्मूले के अकॉर्डिंग हमने सब्स्टिट्यूशन दिए. Now sin inverse x as it is, the integration of this is x square by 2 minus integration differentiation of sine inverse x, we know that 1 upon root 1 minus x square. This is the, and here is x square by 2 dx as it is. Now I am taking this minus sign inside the integration and here is plus. So x square by 2 sine inverse x, the first term as it is, plus 1 by 2 x square with minus sign upon root 1 minus x square dx. ऐसा मैंने इसलिए किया है कि I am going to add 1 and subtract 1 in this form now. So here is x square by 2 sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 1 minus x square plus 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx. ये फॉर्म बन गई अपनी. अब जो नीचे रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर दिखाई दे रहा है, आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड बाय दिस in this 1 minus x square as well as in 1. Then what we will get? X square by 2 sine inverse x as it is plus 1 by 2. Now we have two integration here. What are these? The first one is root 1 minus x square dx. When we divide this root into the 1 minus x square, the root will appear on numerator. Denominator में से हट जाएगा. And the second integration is 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx. ये इस तरह से दो इंटीग्रेशन में टूट जाएगा, सेपरेट हो जाएगा. इसका डिवाइड जब इस पे देंगे तो रूट ऊपर आ जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल, और 1 के अपॉन में इस रूट का डिवाइड देंगे तो अलग इंटीग्रेशन बन जाएगा. अब हम इसे सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं वो देखते हैं. तो सॉल्व करते समय इसमें अपने को यहां पर एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 साइन इनवर्स एक्स एज इट इज है, बट इन द ब्रैकेट integration of this 1 minus x square, we know that x upon 2 root a square minus x square, that is 1 minus x square, plus a square upon 2, that is 1 by 2 sin inverse x upon a, यानी x, a की वैल्यू 1 चल, and the integration of this root 1 minus x square will sin inverse x plus c as it is. तो इस तरह से अपन ने इसका इंटीग्रेशन ये किया. अब हमारे पास दो टर्म साइन इनवर्स x की ये है और एक स्टार्ट में है. वी हैव दीज थ्री एंड टेकिंग 1 by 2 कॉमन फ्रॉम ऑल दीज. दिस इज 1 by 2. Inside we have x square. Also we are taking sin inverse x common from these. So x square is here. In this case 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 is still inside, and there is plus 1 plus this is our integration. देखिए एक्चुअली अपन ने यहाँ 1 ऐड किया था, 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट, गलती से दोनों का ही साइन अपन ने प्लस लगा लिया था तो मैंने करेक्ट कर दिया. यहाँ प्लस की जगह क्या है, माइनस, तो यहाँ भी क्या आएगा, माइनस, तो यहाँ भी क्या रहेगा, माइनस, एंड हियर इज आल्सो माइनस. नाउ 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus half, and this is 1 by 2 into x by 2 root 1 minus x square plus, now we have here 1 by 2 inside this, x square minus 1 upon 2 and plus x by 4 root 1 minus x square. If you want to take LCM 2 you can, and that 2 multiplied by this one 1 by 4 sine inverse x into 2x square minus 1 and plus x by 4 root 1 minus x square plus c. So this is our answer. ये इस तरीके से सॉल्व होना है आइलेट रूल में इनवर्स फंक्शन वाले क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है, अब अगली प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं जिसमें अपने को लॉग के फंक्शंस दिखाई दे रहे हैं। In that we are having question number 15. Integrate x square plus 1 log x dx. According to Euler form, this is algebraic and this is logarithmic. So logarithmic is the first function, algebraic is the second one. So we are taking this is first and this is second, u and v. Now what we are doing here, applying the Euler rule, according to that we are applying u into v method. Taking first log x as a constant, integration of x square plus 1 dx minus differentiation of x square log x and integration of x square plus 1 dx and integration of this. So log x as it is, and the value of this one is x cube upon 3 plus x. This is the integration of x square plus 1 minus differentiation of this one is 1 by x and integration of that is x cube upon 3 plus x. We are multiplying 1 by x inside the bracket. What we will get here? In this case 1 by 3 x cube plus 3x as it is and into log x. In this case we are having inside 1 by 3x square plus 1 dx. ये x से x कैंसिल हो जाना है. Here is x क्यूब अपॉन 3 था, एक x इसमें कैंसिल हो गया तो x स्क्वायर अपॉन 3 रह गया. 1 by x into a simple 1. Now integrate that. 1 by 3 x cube plus 3x log x minus integration of this one is x cube upon 3, तो एक 3 पहले से था 9 and here is x plus c. So the answer is 1 by 3 x cube plus 3x into log x minus x cube upon 9 minus x plus c. This is the answer. अब आप चाहें तो पूरे के एलसीएम 9 कॉमन ले सकते हैं, बाकी नहीं भी लें तो चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. So this type of questions we have to follow the Euler rule according to u into v method. ये अपना तरीका होता है, इस तरह से अपन सॉल्व करते हैं.